Challenge. I want to shoot a quick video, talk about 20.1, a recent change that we added due to COVID restrictions at some gyms where they might not be able to share bars. The only workout that this impacts truly, I believe, is the 20.1, both A and B for teams. So what we added is that you can use up to 4 bars in this workout, so I'm gonna talk about that. So again, part A is a ladder, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on and so forth, for 12 minutes of thrusters and burpees over the bar. Originally what we had was 2 bars on the floor, 95 and 65. Girls would come out, female 1 would do the thrusters on the 65-pound bar, female 2 would do the burpees over bar on the 95. They would have to switch their bodies over. Female 2 would do the thrusters, female 1 would then do the burpees over the bar. They would step out, guys would come in, essentially do the same thing, making sure to do the thruster on the right bar and burpees on the opposite bar. So you end up with 2 guys touching the same bar. There's an option there where you could squirt the bar down in between, but I know that will take more time and nobody will do that. So this only applies if you have to. So you could still do the original way. If you can't use bars between 2 people or whatnot. So here's what this other option will look like. We have 4 bars, we have our own bars. So 2 females will come on the floor. Female 1 is gonna do 4 thrusters on the 65. Female 2 is gonna do the burpees over bar on the 95, so it's a separate bar. And then they switch. Female 2 coming over, doing her thrusters on her bar. Female 1 doing the burpees over bar on this male 95-pound bar. And then when they switch and get off, then the guys will come on and do the same thing. Male number 1 doing his thrusters, and then male number 2 doing burpees over bar on the girl bar, and then switching. So this is probably the best setup. We just need to equal the same stimulus that we're doing over here, and that's how you do it, by doing that manual switch. You can't do thrusters and burpees on your own bar because then the timing wouldn't be the same. So that's what we're gonna do. Only if you have to not share bars at your gym. And then the 3RM, that's obviously pretty easy. Only 1 lift at a time. In order to match this setup here, well, where we only have 1 bar, what needs to happen is that only 1 lift ever, and this includes practice lifts. So after this workout, we immediately go into this clock right here. You can load weight. I don't even really feel like that's an advantage because when there's 1 bar, the team's working together, 3 people at a time, loading the bar and so on and so forth. So you're loading your own bar, so you could kind of say you're doing as much, if not even a little bit more work. So you can load your own bar while other people are lifting, but you can't be this guy cannot be taking practice lifts while this person's lifting. We can't have multiple people. One, I don't know what's being lifted and stuff like that, in validating the lifts. So load your bar as much as you want, get a little routine where, it goes lift, 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 or however I'll go, but only 1 person lifting at a time. And in that way, we're matching the stimulus and we should be all good. The only other workout where we could potentially be sharing equipment is the deadlifts, but that one, just use your own bar. Not the deadlifts, but the deadlift hold in 20.2. So if you have any questions, reach out to me, info@Turkey Challenge. I also included my cell phone in the athlete email that went out. Thank you.